Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can deactivate your Messenger account. But you need to remember you cannot just deactivate Messenger. Your Messenger is going to be linked with your Facebook, so your Facebook is also going to be deactivated along with your Messenger. So follow the step, which is click on the three line at the top left of your screen. From the three line, you want to click on the setting icon at the top. Once you click on the setting icon, scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see this option called See More in Account Center. Click on this and it's going to take you to the Account Center. From over here, you want to click on this option called Personal Details. From inside Personal Details, the last option, Account Ownership and Control, click on it. Once you're over here, you can see this option called Deactivation or Deletion. You want to click on it. And then you want to choose your Facebook account. Once you choose your Facebook account, it's going to give you two options, Deactivate and Delete. We want to deactivate, so click on Deactivate and click on Continue at the bottom. Once you do it, it's going to show you this, that your page is also going to be deactivated because it is linked with my Facebook account. So if you're okay with that, click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, on the next step, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your Facebook or your Messenger account. Enter the password and just click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, your Messenger account will be deactivated along with your Facebook. So that is how you guys can deactivate your Messenger account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.